Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Model Kit Builds. I know it's been a while, I've just been focusing on other things right now than filming these, although I have been building things, just not making unboxing videos of them. So I thought, why not? I got a new kit. And so this is my unboxing for the Tamiya 1/35th scale Panther, or the Panzerkampfwagen V Panther SD.KFZ.171 Ausf.A. Yeah, it's a lot of technical blibbly blabbly blue. So that is the top of the box, and yes, I just said blibbly blabbly blue. Deal with it. Here is the side of this box. Scale model boxes aren't very exciting, honestly. This just has more stuff. And there's that side. Nothing too exciting, honestly. So here was the inner stuff here. The top of the hull. The bottom of the hull. The B runner. Yes, these are in like a tan. The A runner in tan again. And I'm gonna wager this is a C runner, although it doesn't say. The wheels runner. There's a bunch of small things here. I don't really know what these are for, but they're there. And of course, the tracks, vinyl, rubber tracks, whatever. And lastly, the decals. Of course, are water slides, like all scale models are. But water slides are pretty easy. So there's 2 manuals? What the heck? Why are there 2 manuals? Well, that's weird. Are these really both the same? Yeah, wow. 2 manuals, would you believe it? So here we are. Let's start with the parts list up here. We run through part 1 over here. To step 2 to 3. All those fun little wheels. 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8, and then we flip over. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then all the decal guide down there. And yeah, pretty simple, as are most Tamiya kits, which is why I enjoy them more than any Dragon kit or Zvezda. So anyway, yeah, that's my unboxing for the Tamiya 1/35th scale Panther Panzerkampfwagen V. All of this junk up here. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.